Today we're going to be detailing this 2019 GMC Terrain. I knew it. I knew exactly what it was. Bunch of pet hair. The seat's got a lot of staining on it. Definitely some chunkage in there, pet hair, everything else. It's not really bad. It smells of pet. Definitely. Got some pretty decent staining, but pet hair all over. See? Tons of pet hair. And we all know pet hair is like the worst to do. Yeah, hopefully that's just sweat or something. Stains all over the seat, not surprising. Center console is, I don't even know what that is. Ooh, the USB in this has gotten wet once or twice. See the rust all in there. Nice good drippage going on there, whatever that is. Underneath the seat. What's down there? It looks like a Skittle. Could be a Reese's Pieces. No, wrong color. It's a Skittle. And ketchup. And that one, and this one, and this one, and that one. How many people do you think really leave those inserts in there? I mean, you just wipe around it, you don't touch it, you just leave it in there. Told you something was spilled in there. That one's clean though. What do we got underneath this? Oh, she hasn't gotten this one out yet. No. Clearly we're gonna be editing this. So let's just walk around again. There's 3 other doors she's still gotta do this to. Around the vehicle again. Oh, nope, it's still there. I gotta catch my breath, I'm winded. All this walking. Stop watching me. Creeper. Okay, well, we got it done. It came out, for the most part, really well. It was bad, but the camera didn't show it. I assure you it was bad. Down here, we even cleaned in there, that little cubby. Seats turned out great. Obviously that rusty USB is still there. Driver seat. This is like wear, this isn't stains. There's another one, the mirror. Who gets the back side of the mirror? Are we the only ones that do that? Like, nobody's gonna look there. We clean it. Do you clean it? This really big salt lick that came out. These little specks are parts of the underside of this fabric, see? Which, because this flap lifts up. Damage marks and all that, I can't control that. This is not a stain, I don't know what it is. It's just wear, just like this, indents, and it almost feels melted. I cannot do anything without her laughing at me. What is that all about? Like, she's laughing at me because I'm talking. This is my face. This is what my face looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, or subscribe. We need the help. Okay, I don't really need the help.
He needs help.